Today we are featuring a 2013 Subaru Outback. It's got 61,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX, one owner. All right, satin, white, pearl, and color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in good shape there. It does have the symmetrical all-wheel drive, rear backup camera. It's got your tow hitch down there. Passenger side of the vehicle is in good shape. Exterior of this Subaru is well taken care of. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the two-tone door panels. Got your black with your beige trim here. Wood grain trim as well. Power locks, power windows. It does have your power mirrors here. Beige leather. Power driver's seat. It's got the nice thick rubber floor mats. Driver's seat's in good shape. It is equipped with sunroof as well. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. It does have your heated seats, and it is an automatic. Passenger side leather looks good. Your dual climate controls, little storage area there, CD player, AM, FM, rear backup camera. Okay, and I'll show you all that in a second. It does have the leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And it also has your transmission paddles here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 61,772 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, I'll go ahead and show you the display screen here. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage your backup camera. Alright, and it does have the dual climate controls. Okay, and once again, the heated seats. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. And it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats for the back seat as well. Back seat leather's in good shape. Alright, no problems at all here. Let's go ahead and take the seat down. Alright, got quick access to the back hatch there. Nice rubber protector back here as well. Alright, it does have the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash. Let you see the layout. Alright, let's take a look in the storage area back here. Alright, mentioned the protector earlier. It's got the cargo netting. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Let's see about your storage area here. Okay, got your tow hitch back there, or your trailer hitch storage area. Alright, it does have the Harman Kardon audio. Okay, and it does have a power supply outlet back here. But everything looks really good back here in the back. Slide the mat back in here. Take a look at the wheels and tires. What size we got here? We got 17-inch alloys. Alright. Tires are still in really good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, so 2013 Subaru Outback, 61,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX, one owner. Things in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.